Online marketing is a great tool to grow your local business. With so many choices, most companies overlook the power of video marketing. The average number of users watching videos daily is an astounding 100 million and growing. With the right plan, your local business can easily leverage this power and gain more customers. Today's expert is here with some simple strategies on increasing your local business through video marketing.
Hi there, this is Brian Williams, your host. In today's segment, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Bob Walton, commercial realtor and internet marketer. First off, Bob, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thank you, Brian. Yes, my early training and career was in electrical safety engineering. And after many years, I turned to my hobby and passion in real estate property flipping, which over time turned into a full-time business, working in residential realty, and eventually in commercial real estate. Due to my lifelong interest in technology and teaching, I took on a side hustle with a good friend of mine in the North Carolina Search Engine Academy. That helped me start my internet marketing company that permitted me to become a networking marketing partner with Inside 919.
Nice. You are indeed unique in your experiences.
When a business owner is looking for an office, workspace, business location, or warehouse, or simply an investment property, with ROI eXp Commercial Realty, I'm able to find, negotiate an offer, and help clients navigate those challenges. Once secured, I can help, if requested, to place my SEO hat on and help businesses get found in search, to help in their visibility and traffic to leverage a larger market share in their respective industries. I currently focus on Google Places and video marketing, as nearly everything else has become a pay-to-play endeavor.
Given the breadth of your experience, how does a local business leverage your services?
I am frequently asked, where do you find clients? Well, naturally through friends, associates, and networking. However, one of my most regular streams of potential clients is through search and finding me on the internet.
Can you give us a few specific suggestions?
Well, placing content on your website and social media platforms is easy, but local businesses find out pretty quickly that it's just not enough. There are 3 essential things that all businesses should be focused on, and that is, 1, for your business, it's location, location, location. 2, for visibility, it's having your Google Places page optimized. And 3, it's about having the right content that interests your potential clients.
Can you give us a few specific suggestions?
Right now, the best free traffic you can get is through having quality video content. All this without neglecting your website posts and social media channels.
If people want to learn more, where can they reach you?
That's easy, Brian. For real estate, please visit roicommercialrealty.com. And for video services, please visit inside919.com. I can also be reached at 919-827-1836. Thank you very much.
Who knew the same websites and tools that people use every single day in their personal lives could be leveraged to grow a business? A strategic online marketing plan can transform your company's future when it comes to getting more customers and building your brand. I know you're excited. Are you ready to start getting more customers? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.